A new generation of intelligence quadcopter. Newly football design, easy to carry. It uses high-quality ABS and soft material. With 8G camera, 120-degree wide-angle adjust, Wi-Fi real-time transmission. Make flight and forward action through sound system. Take off. Forward. App intelligence trajectory flight operation. Dispose humanized headless mode for new player. Control flight direction by controller. Whole new of intelligence mechanism research and development. Air pressure altitude holding system. It has a built-in stance rotation and return programmed. Only one key for 360-degree rotation in the air and return back.